into it. So today we'll be talking about how to make money from your closet. Yes. So we're saying take your old t-shirts, shorts, jeans, shoes, whatever you got that's old and you don't wear it or you never worn it before, pull it out your closet because we're about to sell it and make some money from it. Not one, not two, not three, but 6 different websites and 1 physical location you can visit to sell your clothes. Yes. And you can start today. All you have to do is go through your closet, see what you don't want or don't wear, and turn it into money. One is Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is very popular nowadays because it's very simple, very easy to just post your item, get people to contact you, ship it to them, or meet up with them and make your money. So I inserted a picture right here of the Nike shorts that I recently just posted. So I took a picture of the front and the back of the shorts. I feel like you should take more pictures than the ones I took, but you know, I was just trying to see how it works. So take as many pictures as you can so that the buyer can get a better look and a better description, visual representation of what they're actually buying. So after I took the pictures, I posted them onto the outline that I have for the selling the item. After that, I put men's Nike shorts, so just give it a short title. You don't have to make it long or anything. And then after that, I put in how much it cost, and then the category, and then the condition. So if it's new or used, and how used is it, so then the buyer can say, okay, these look a little worn out, or no, these look brand new, basically. So, and then after that, put a description describing the size. If you did wear them a lot, that's good to know. Any other details that would help the buyer make a better decision of, okay, I want to buy this, or okay, no, I'm not going to buy this. It really helps. And then after that, it's going to take you to another page where it's going to talk about shipping. If you want to ship it or you want to just do pickup. A lot of times they may tell you to do the shipping part because the person may not live in the same area as you or in the same state, so it may be easier to add that up there. I personally picked the prepaid shipping label, so I don't have to go out my way, take it to post office or UPS and pay like $20, $30 for a shipping label. That's a lot. So the prepaid, I feel like that's a much cheaper option and that's much better. So, but that's me. You don't have to do the same. And after that, it will take you to, it will make sure it has your name correctly, and then you can set up your banking information after that, and then publish. It's very simple. And then after you publish it, you just wait for somebody to message you, say, hey, is this available? If everything works out, do what you gotta do. And it says that it takes, it usually deposits within 20 days for the money to be in your account. So unless they go through a different way of giving you the money, so that part is on you. However you want to go about getting your 2 is OfferUp. OfferUp is very popular. It's used a lot nowadays, just like Facebook Marketplace. So I've inserted a picture right here showing how the structure is when you're selling an item. So I was selling my Fashion Nova denim shorts. So first things first, you want to have the photo, then you're going to go over to the details, and then price, and then finish. It's a very quick process. I just put in my photo of the shorts that I want to sell. I put in the title. After that, you go into the details of the brand, the size, the category, and if it's good or used. Just depends on the condition of the shorts, so you'll base it off of that. And then you go into the price, how much you want the price to be, and then also they ask you if you want that price to be firm. So like you don't want the price to go down if somebody says, oh, I want a cheaper price, or if demand is low or something like that. You don't want the price to change. You want it to stay how it is. So I think that was really cool. And then when you get to the finish, then they ask you, if you want to do the shipping nationwide or not. And there is a 12.9% service fee if you do the nationwide shipping. So make sure you keep that in mind. Is Depop. Depop is a really cool marketplace where you can sell clothes or shoes or maybe a cute little shopping bag. So I found this a while ago. My cousin was using it on Instagram and she was making money from it. So I was like, okay, cool. Let me go check it out. So I inserted a picture right here showing the Levi shorts that I just put on Depop that are currently selling. So I took a picture of the front and the back of the shorts. I inserted it there, and then I put in a title and some hashtags. So when somebody's looking for hashtag denim, they'll be able to find my shorts. And then also you can put in the condition of the shorts, if it's used or good or brand new. And then you can put in the brand, the size, the cool thing about Depop is that you can put like, oh, it's cotton, or oh, it's elastic. Yeah, I found that really interesting. Like the other apps didn't do that, but those did. And then also once you get towards the bottom, it will ask you about domestic, shipping, and then worldwide. So is Mercari. So Mercari is another marketplace where you can sell your shoes, your clothes, whatever it is that you want to sell, you can sell on Mercari. So I've inserted a picture right here showing the shorts that I sold. And I know I'm just saying a lot about shorts. It's because I have so many shorts and I had to get rid of them. So I had to do a whole new spring / summer cleaning. So all these, I'm gonna be talking about shorts. So I'm selling my H&M shorts that I got, I think about maybe 3 years ago. They're mom shorts, they're really cute, but it's just time to let them go. So you can put in the title. Usually it will generate like a title already for you. Then you can put in your hashtags, the brand categories. So if it's women's athletic wear, maybe the sports bras or something, it just depends. And then you can also put in your size, the condition, if it's good, used, new, whatever. And then you'll get into the shipping, if you want to do shipping or you want to do local. So they do have people that can come and pick up the item from you and take it to the buyer. So you just have to make sure you put that in, that you want somebody to pick it up. You can put in, and then from there you will put in your address and verify your phone number and everything, so they know that you're real and stuff. And to just have that verification on file. And then after that, you put in the price, and then you'll click list. And boom, simple. 5 is eBay. eBay has been on and popping for so long. I remember eBay when I was younger. I would try to get the latest Jordans from eBay because they were sold out. And I was just like, I want them so bad. But in reality, I did not get them. Nope, I did not get them from eBay. I just didn't get them. But eBay is a really great marketplace to literally sell anything. So I inserted a picture here showing the structure. The structure is really different than from what I remember. So basically you're putting in like everything. So you put in everything beforehand, and then after that it generates a search. So you can find that specific item. So you can say the Levi shorts that I put on. So I put in the brand, the color, the size, the condition, the category, everything. And then it basically tried to generate and see if they already have it. So they had some things that was similar, but not like directly the same Levi shorts that I'm trying to sell. So I didn't actually select one of the ones that came up on the search. So I just went on to the next page, and that's where you can put in the actual picture of the shorts or whatever item that you're trying to sell. And then it'll have like everything that from the search that you did, the category, the size, the color, the brand, all that. Get into the description. So make sure you put, it's women's shorts, for example, the size, how many times you're wearing them. I feel like that makes it easier for the buyer to be like, oh, they only wore it a couple times. Okay, that's fine. I'll still buy them because they still look new. Then you'll go into the pricing, how much you want it to be priced for. So for eBay, they do like a bidding. So the highest bidder will obviously get the short. Ultimately, it depends on you. So you can set a flat price that's maybe $16 that a buyer can say, hey, all right, I want these shorts, so I'm just not gonna bid on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy the shorts for $16. So you can do that as well. And then on the other hand, if they want to do the bidding usually lasts for like 7-day auction. So that's recommended by eBay, and the buyer can decide what it wants to do. Like if they be like, let me try to get a lower price for those shorts, or I'm gonna just go ahead and pay the $16. And then after that, you will go into the delivery. So they work with all carriers, UPS, Post Office, and FedEx. Depending on how heavy the item is and where it's shipping, that will depend on how much it will cost. And then you can set the shipping price for the buyer, which is very important. So make sure you know how much the item weighs and everything, so then you can give them a more accurate amount for them to pay for the shipping. After that, it will go into prefaces, which is showing like the return policy, things like that. And then you can list your item. Next is Postmark. Postmark has been around for a very long time. So I inserted a picture right here showing the shorts that I recently just put on there. So I took a picture of the shorts, of course, posted it up there. Then I put a title, a description afterwards, and then I went into the category, the size, the brand, and then after that I put in the original price that I paid. So doing that generates a suggested price that they come up with that you should put for the actual price. That is really cool. The other ones didn't do that. So I really like that this one had the little suggested price, because that made it easier for me to say, okay, I'll do $10. That's not too bad. Like, it's reasonable. So it's not like you're putting $20 when you wore the shorts 5 times. Like, you gotta be realistic. So I really like that. And then afterwards, it showed how much you'll be paid for the shorts after the transaction, everything, and the buyer agrees and all that. And then the next page, it shows where you want to post the actual shorts. And that was really cool too, because the other ones didn't do that. And then it allows you like to connect your social medias to it and stuff. So Postmark, I like it. Yeah. definitely another one that I like. So definitely try that one out. And then after that, you'll list your item and you'll see it on your feed. And that's it. 7, I wanted to give y'all something a little different from just the websites and everything. So many have heard of it, some may not, but Plato's Closet. I've used this plenty of times. This is more so of a drive to location rather than do it from home. So basically, you will get the clothes that you want to sell, drive over to the location, and then once you get there, you'll wait in line. They have like a certain section for the clothes that they'll be buying from you. So they have like this touch screen pad thing, and then it's like it's more so like it kind of reminds me of an iPad. To me, it reminds me of an iPad. So you'll put in your information like your driver's license, your contact information, your home location, and then this is just information so they can have in the system so they know like, okay, you'll be able to pick it up, and then they can let you know when it's ready and everything also. So you'll pick what option that you want, like text me when it's ready, or I'll stay in the store while y'all are looking through my items and etc. So once you do that, you'll get a slip from one of the team members. You give them the items. You'll also put in how many bags you have. Once you get the slip, just wait for a text message, or unless you're gonna stay inside the store, you'll be notified once you get the notification that, okay, hey, it's ready. They will give you the rundown of, okay, we'll buy this, and that for this price. You can either say yes or no, and then go from there. It's a really quick process. If you do agree to the price that they're asking, then they will cash out the money for you, and then you go about your business. It's a very quick, easy mind with Plato's Closet. They have 475 locations in North America currently, and they are expanding, so it may be different in other countries. They may have one or none. So make sure you're looking out for other local stores that may be similar to Plato's Closet, where you can go in and actually sell your clothes to different companies. So make sure you're looking out for that as well. In closing, I just want to say that all 6 of the websites and the one location that I just explained, they are credible. I've used them personally myself, and just figure out which one you like the best. That's why I went through a whole explanation of how they are and everything, so you can go from there. And then also make sure you are putting pictures when it comes to the websites. The more pictures, the better. So just make sure you're putting yourself in the buyer's shoes. Like, what do you want to see when it comes to buying clothes? You want to make sure you see all the pictures, like how's the sizing and everything, and making sure that you are available when someone messages you, and just to cooperate and make sure everything rolls smoothly, so you can get paid and you can continue to grow your business with selling clothes online.